Hi everyone, today I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to complete Inktober. And the first thing is to, if this is your first time, just start by doodling something with ink every day. And this is, it just puts less pressure on you to just do like a simple small doodle like in your sketchbook or something, because you're not trying to like do something that's like super detailed and complex and has so many parts, and it kind of eases you into the whole Inktober thing and prepares you for more Inktobers to come, because it's a 31-day challenge, and if you've never done something like that before, it can be kind of scary and a lot. So just starting your Inktober journey with just doodling something every day is very nice and easy, and that's what I did the first 3 times, if I'm not mistaken. The second thing is you don't have to follow the official prompt list. You can, and I did that once, and you know, it was nice. I liked it. It was challenging, but you don't have to do it. The purpose of Inktober is to improve your inking. The prompts are there to help challenge you, but you don't necessarily have to follow them. And if you look online, you'll see that other people make their own prompts. And I actually made my own prompt a couple of years ago, and I will put that up on the screen now, and you can maybe screenshot that and use it if you want to. You don't have to follow the official prompt list, but you can if you want to. By not following it, you are putting less pressure on yourself, and the first 4 times I participated in Inktober, I did not use it, and I felt fine. So there's a thing. Also, you don't have to strive for perfection. Instead, try just to complete the challenge. You don't have to create super detailed and amazing things every day. I mean, you can if you have the time for that, but you don't have to. And the last 2 times I was trying to put more effort into it, but that's because I had more free time, except for last year. And last year I didn't finish because I didn't have free time, and I was trying to do all of these amazing quote-unquote things. Instead of doing what I did last year, don't do that. Just, if you don't have the time to do super detailed stuff, just try to complete the challenge instead of trying to make every drawing dropping. And if a drawing isn't what you want it to be after you've finished it, just leave it alone and move on. And that's something I did last year and the year before that. And not every drawing you're going to make during Inktober is going to be perfect, and I think before you even start, you have to accept that and be okay with that. And I think that's something that really helped me. This next point kind of ties into the last point, and that's not to try to draw overly complex things. If you look at Jake Parker, he's the guy who created this whole thing. I noticed the thing that he did, I think it was last year, maybe the year before that as well, is he creates just one big drawing and it looks super detailed and amazing. But you do not have to do that if you feel like you don't have the time, or if you feel like you are not on that skill level yet. You can just draw whatever, which kind of goes back to the first point. You can just do a doodle. You don't have to make everything super complex with these ink washes and these shadings and stuff. You don't have to do all of that. You can just, the purpose of Inktober is just to create 1 ink drawing a day, and as long as you do that, you're doing it. So everything doesn't have to be super detailed, and it's just unnecessary stress, and it's not worth it. Trust me when I say that. Another thing is that you don't have to post all of your drawings. And even though it is like an online art challenge, and you know, everyone's posting all the things online, you don't have to. So if you do like what I said, like you draw something, you're not proud of it, and you just move on, you don't have to post that drawing that you don't like if you don't like it. You can post the ones you like if you want to. There's no pressure. Just if you are not proud of a drawing that you did for one of those days and you don't want to post it, you don't have to post it. And I know you might be thinking, well, people might think I didn't finish them, but you know what you did. If you finished it, you finished it, and you're not obligated to post all of them if you don't want to. And just, once again, it's just unnecessary pressure and stress And like last year, I wasn't able to finish. I was very stressed, not just because of Inktober. I was actually enjoying myself, but I had a lot of stuff going on in the background along with Inktober, and I got really stressed, and then I hurt my arm, and I wasn't able to finish, and I was just like, alrighty then, that's it. Looks like that's it. I think I made it. I think I did like 16 or something, which is pretty good. I mean, it's not bad. So, I mean, here you go, you're right there. So, you don't have to post all of them if you're, for whatever reason, not able to finish. That is okay. When I said that I wasn't going to be able to finish, no one was like, oh, really now? We'll see about that. We're going to, I don't know, hold you hostage in the comments or something. No one's going to do that. So, if you're not able to finish, or if you don't want to post all your stuff, you don't have to. And the last point, which seems kind of, I don't know, like one of those weird things adults say to children. Have fun. Inktober, in the past, the times when I wasn't really stressed out about things outside of Inktober, or just times when I was just like really laid back and just doing my own thing, it was really fun. And that is what it's all about, my peeps, because it is a daily challenge, and if every day you're trying to do something that's just too complex, it can get stressful, and that's just not necessary. So instead of stressing yourself out, just try to enjoy the process, try to enjoy the challenge, because once you take all of that unnecessary stress and stuff out, it is really fun. I hope that if you're participating in Inktober, you have fun. And I didn't mention this, but I'm not participating this year. Instead, I'm going to do like I think it was Derwent Art Supplies that posted something on Instagram about sketching every day instead. And it was to raise awareness of mental health issues. And so I'm going to do that instead this year. And I hope I have fun with that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you got something out of it. Please enjoy the rest of your day, my peeps.